Do you know what all this information means on a paint tube label? Let's decode it to learn what's under the cap. Starting with the basics, the label gives you brand, color name, type of paint, and a color swatch. You'll also see the series number, which signals the price tier. Don't miss the symbol for transparent or opaque, and the Lightfastness rating for the degree of fade resistance. Pigment content is given by a universal color index international code that lets you identify the same pigment across different brands. The CII names start with P for pigment, the color family like R for red or Y for yellow, and a number. Most labels also list the binder or vehicle. For health and safety, the ASTM D-4236 statement confirms that all required warnings are on the label. A Prop 65 warning discloses that a product may contain chemicals that the state of California has identified as potentially causing cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. For a quick kid-safe check, look for the Art and Creative Materials Institute seals. The approved product seal indicates there's nothing present in any amount that can harm anyone, including children, as confirmed by a toxicologist. The cautionary labeling seal means safe only if the user can understand and follow instructions. So next time you grab a paint tube, remember, the essential information is already in the palm of your hand.